Today is a very special day, so let's talk about meatballs.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
And before we begin, let me tell you that you need to follow me on the Swedish language on Instagram, where I post daily updates, pictures, motion, video, music about the Swedish language and Swedish culture, just so you know. Yes, meatballs, or as we say in Swedish, Köttbullens, is a dish we eat mostly at home, but it's starting to find its way into restaurants beside that big one, you know. It's made from köttfärs and it varies in storlek, innehåll and smak. The history of Shutbulla is not certain, but it has been proven that it was served at the English court 1,000 years ago. There's also an unproven rumor or theory that Karl XII took home Shutbulla from Osmanska riket when he was out traveling. The first mention of Shutbulla in Swedish is through Kajsa Bergs kokbok in 1755, and the name of that kokbok? Hjälper dig hushållningen för unga fruntimmer. Bit of an old spelling there. In that book, hackat kött, torn bread and eggs made up the recipe. Köttbulla becomes more prominent in Swedish households in the mid-19th century due to the widely more used vedspis and köttkvarn. Before that, meatballs were referred to as Frikadello, which is now the term we use for when we have the meatballs that kokas i soppa eller buljong. And before the beginning of the 20th century, there were hardly any recipes that included lök in the meatballs. A traditional way of serving meatballs in Sweden is with potatis, gräddsås, pressgurka and lingon. Not a big fan of pressgurka myself. Meatballs are also one of the main dishes at jul, påsk and midsommar. That is, if you eat meat, obviously. Now, meatballs as a dish is obviously not something that's super specific to Sweden. The reason why so many people connect the meatballs to Sweden is obviously the widespread empire of IKEA, where it is one of the signature dishes. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to enjoy myself a plate of Swedish meatballs right here, right now. Glad Köttbullens dag. Take care, and I will see you soon.